good afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Absolute Travel Adventures. Absolute Travel Adventures. I bring you greetings from Antalya in Turkey. We are here for a few days, and just straight down there, there's the sea. So we're about 2 minutes away from the sea. We are staying in Hotel Lara. Hotel Lara in Antalya. The weather right now is 29 degrees, 29 degrees, and we've already checked in. But I'm just giving you a quick tour of the hotel, reception area, relaxation area. Of course, everybody is probably out of the hotel by now. They've gone for sightseeing, gone to enjoy the weather. And as you come in, you have your welcome coffee and cake if you're after something like that. And we'll be staying in one of the rooms on the lower level. On the lower level. Okay. That's a welcome greeting as you come in. Key card goes in. Of course, light comes on. Okay, welcome. This is our room for 4 nights. Maybe we start with the bathroom arrangement. You have your standard shower, toilet, hand basin, beautiful mirror, full length, well, almost full length, half length, but all the way to the top for the 6-footers among us. So that's the that's the bathroom arrangement. Inside here, I'm going inside the cupboard or wardrobe, if I could get the door open. Okay. We've already checked in, so some of our stuff is here. Safe, 2 lovely slippers, hangers, extra pillow. On this side we have, of course, we have the kettle, coffee and tea, cups. Down here we have some drink. I did open this before, but now, oh yeah, it's always good when you open it from the right side. Water stock, I was pulling it from the wrong side. Places where you could put your baggage. Costelli. Oh yeah, the bed. Queen size bed. Wall decor. And in case you come with a little one or junior person or a senior person, that's a third bed. For your paperwork, studies, makeup, you have that. And of course you have your mirror. There's a unique thing about this TV. I don't know whether you can see it. It's blended in, it's fitted in into the mirror. So the TV ends there, and then there's a continuous. Let me show you from this side. Okay, I know what I'll do. Let me put on the TV. Maybe give you a better. Okay, TV's coming on. There's a TV and this mirror. Anyway. Okay. No copyright intended. The unique thing is that there's a mirror right in the middle here. This pillar, they put a mirror in. So this is the third bed. It's the same length as the queen size bed. So I guess it's a single, and this is a view from this angle. For a better view from this angle of the TV, of the room. Yeah, of the, of course, bedside lamp. And the unique thing about this room is that we have a balcony. Okay, let me go through. Of course, you annette, and then you open the door like this, and you have your own private courtyard. Your own private courtyard. Trying to show you how big it is. It's big enough. Big enough. Quite generous enough. So 2 chairs, some flower pots. Oops. And down over there. And you have that. Okay. So what else can I show you? One of the more impressive thing is that oops, sorry, forgive me. It's just about 2 minutes away from the beach. Oh, did I say that? Okay, from the river, or from the sea, from the water. Yeah, you get the picture. So you have lights for everybody. Okay, so that's Hotel Lara. Very beautiful place. Totally recommend it. Going back into the bathroom, the shower door opens like this. You got the rainforest. All the gadgets that you need for a good soak. Okay, those who know this brand, they know the brand. Towels, lovely basin. Hair dryer, lights, camera, action. Okay, and of course, just in case you want to make a call while you're here, it's a phone as well. Okay, I think that's about it for now. If I find anything else I need to show you, I'll let you know. But yes, Hotel Lara, Lara, in Antalya, Turkey. Today is the 10th of May 2024. Temperature is 29 degrees and it's 2:35. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. Absolute Travel Adventures. Please follow me. Give this video a like if it helps you. And yeah, look at my other videos that I'll be posting and enjoy, everything I share with you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.